find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough, just the sight of you.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some cleaning motivation. It was my birthday last Friday, so I had a little bit of a party. The Friday that was my actual birthday, I just went out with my family for dinner and had a nice family birthday dinner. And then on the Saturday, I had some of my friends come over just for drinks and a catch up and just a hang out at home kind of party. It actually ended up going for a couple of days though. All the people that I invited, they kind of just came and went. Some people went out, some people stayed at my place, people stayed over, but then when the final guest has gone home, it's time for the cleanup to begin. Although it had been kind of cleaned up and picked up and people who were staying had helped clean up the actual party mess, my house was still in the state where I needed to get it back on track after a bit of a party weekend. So I guess as always, I just started in the kitchen and I used my little mantra of do the worst first, and the biggest mess was obviously in the kitchen, a little bit in the lounge room, but not too much. And then of course, after all the kitchen and dishes and everything like that was packed up and put away, obviously you just want to give your house a bit of a once over, because after people have been there, lots of people have been using the bathrooms and stuff, just wanting to give it all a really nice clean and get it back to nice, peaceful, calm and clean, ready for a new work week.
Shining from within.
Now in the morning I had a coffee in bed, which I normally never do, but I had it in bed and I spilt it. I just dripped it, and it dripped on the quilt cover, it dripped on the sheet, and it dripped on the pillowcase. And I thought, oh my god, this is going to stain my white thing. But I used this Sard Wonder Power Fizz stain remover and it got literally every single stain out. Now it wasn't black coffee, obviously it was just milk coffee, but still, you know how coffee stains, and I was just so disappointed. I was like, no, this is a new quilt cover, it's going to leave a big massive mark, but it didn't. And it actually also got out some fake tan that had gotten on there as well, which was awesome. So definitely recommend that Sard Wonder Power Fizz stain remover. Now before my party, I had given the house a quick clean, but obviously nothing too major, because you know when people are coming over and you're having a party, things are going to get messed up. So I had just quickly tidied up, but then I really wanted to give it a really nice, good detailed clean. So I just went in and cleaned the toilet, obviously using this 7th generation toilet cleaner, which I actually really like. I know some people don't like the smell of it, but I don't actually mind it at all. And then just quickly wiped down all of the hand basins, the vanities and the mirrors, just to make sure that everything has been cleaned up after it had been used a lot by different people. I also obviously washed all of the hand towels and anything that people had been using, just so when the boys come back that everything is fresh back for them to use. Now, even though my house did look like it was in a pretty disastrous state at the start, it honestly didn't take long to clean up. It was just putting on a load of dishes, cleaning everything up in the kitchen, and then just wiping over all of the touch points and the bathrooms. The longest thing honestly was to wash and dry and put the sheets back on my bed, which obviously takes all day. But I know that sometimes you can think that things are going to take longer, much longer, and I was expecting this to take, you know, a whole day to clean up, but it didn't, and I was done and dusted in like about an hour, and that was even me feeling pretty tired and a little bit dusty maybe. So definitely don't get discouraged or put off by the thought that something's going to take so long, because once you get in and get started, just put some music on and before you know it, you're practically done, and it doesn't really take as long as you might think it will. I had some laundry for the boys that I had to fold up and put away, but it was only one very small load, so it only took a couple of minutes, and it did not take long at all.
To lose, but baby, I know how it goes, and right now I feel it in my bones.
I gave the floors a really quick vacuum over, which is so super simple with my new cordless Dyson vacuum cleaner, which I am absolutely loving. Also love how maneuverable this thing is. Like, you can see it getting around the bar stools. It literally is a breeze to use. I absolutely love it. My least favorite thing of the day was putting the sheets back on the bed. Honestly, that is probably one of my least favorite jobs. But again, you always think it's going to take so long, but before you know it, you're done.
will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool. Bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove.
So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me while I clean up my house and get it back on track after a big party weekend. Like I said, it really didn't take as long as I thought it would take. So definitely don't put off cleaning up your house if you are discouraged by how long you think it's going to take. Just get in, like I said, put some music on. Before you know it, you'll be done and your house will be back to normal, lovely, clean, perfect, ready to start a whole new week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go, or better yet, hang out and watch a few more videos. Have a great week, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.